What's up, lawn dogs? This is the final product. Like I said, I put the river rock all the way down there, and then a drainage rock underneath, leveled it, put the grass on top, and then they had these pins that look like, I don't know, like like a letter U, little metal pins, and I probably did 20 of them. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 9, 20. Yeah, about 25 of them. Knocked it in there. Because it is on a slope, it was hard to get it 100% level because of that. But she was so pleased with it. And then she bought some flowers. Just a couple of roses. Put that in. Put them rocks in. See? And that's it. Tiger Woods is going to show up and play around her too. Have a good one.